It's Monday after race day. It is the day we lick our wounds a bit. Obviously some of the cars would have broken, and also rush repair jobs and stuff means that there's stuff, loose ends lying all over the place. So it's just sort of getting on top of what needs to be done obviously in the future, and what needs to be invoiced out, what needs to be replenished as far as stocks and parts. And like I say, often you would give a lot of parts away to people like lambda sensors and spark plugs, and you just need to follow up on all those tails. So that can be quite consuming on Mondays after race days. Yeah, we have the Radical in pieces. So Josh unfortunately lost control of the car exiting turn 4 in qualifying. Luckily the car is very light, so there's not like huge amount of damage, and it wasn't like a very big accident, just big enough to put him out for the weekend. So I'll show you guys that just now, damage around the car and what we're going to need to do to repair it. And then Simeon's Nissan, the engine blew head gasket, cylinder head failure, gasket failure. I think what we'll do there most probably is just replace it with another good standard engine, as I believe the engine in the car is completely standard. So yeah, nothing else really to report as far as stuff we need to do. It's just, again, for the future, we have to refocus on Yanni's Nissan. This car needs to leave the workshop this week, put the diff in, get the prop shaft made, and then essentially we're done with the car. Greg Parton's Toyota Yaris over here, the imported clutch and flywheel has arrived in South Africa, so hopefully soon we can put the flywheel in it, clutch in it, put the gearbox back, set up the Motec so the gear shifts are nicer, and get the car out the workshop. Same with Connor's Yaris. We're going to put oil in it today, and I'll probably drive it off just doing manual shifts, just put the clutch down and just get the car moving till Paul has time to do the electronics. And yeah, then it's all the other background stuff. We need to get the Nova done for the little secret that we're doing on there. And my blue car must run in the next 2 weeks or so. It would be nice to race it at the next BMW race. So that's sort of where our goals are lying. It looks like the Lead BMW is sold. The money isn't in the bank yet, but a guy phoned me this morning and said he's interested in buying it, which is sad for me emotionally, but ultimately what we are trying to do here as a business. And yeah, makes them, like I say, it closes one door but opens the next, so who knows what's next. So yeah, that's where we are.